Welcome back, reality designers. Deni here. Today, we're going to be discussing making better business decisions that align with your unique strengths and talents. So, as a business owner since 1996, I remember my first contract was with a university making practical business decisions is one of the most crucial skills to have. So every day we face multiple choices that can impact our company's success or failure. And we know the statistics of how many businesses fail. So being in business since 1996 and starting to heal what's going on inside really does impact how we look and see our world. Mindset is really key, and our mindset is programmable. Many of us walk around with a conditioned mindset. So we want to decondition what's been given to us and then create from the mindset of where we want to be and then re-engineer it backwards, right? So being in business for many, many years, every single day, facing these decisions, it is essential to make informed decisions that align with our goals and our values. And this is key. However, decision making isn't always easy because sometimes what's happening is our conscious mind, what we think we should be doing, gets in the way. It'll get in the way of our intuition and that inner voice, that inner wisdom, that inner connection, that inner coherence. We don't want it to get in the way. So, what we want to do is use the tools and techniques such as hypnosis and understanding of your human design. And if you're just starting out with human design, you don't need to have like a deep understanding of your human design. Just coming to this place of connecting with your type of energy. That's all you need to do. Start there. Just connect. It's an inner connection. There's a whole bunch of information out there. Just take what resonates and let go the rest, and then implement what resonates. So I'm hoping what I'm sharing with you here resonates, and then you begin to implement what resonates. So I'm telling you the what and a little bit of the how. The how is very important. But human design is, it's a system that's based on so many thought, ancient thought, and it incorporates um, astrology, the I Ching, among others. And what this does is it creates like this blueprint and helps to guide us to make better decisions and gives us insights into how people around us are designed energetically as well.